Today we were looking at Unit 3, Lesson 10, Distinguishing Circumference from Area. So we started with this problem, and what did we notice? Well, we noticed there was a single cheese puff on the plate. There were a bunch of cheese puffs on this rectangular tray. The plate seemed to be a circle. And so we were wondering about how many cheese puffs we could fit on the plate in a single layer. And so we noticed, and maybe we counted, some of you counted all of the cheese balls across here. Some of us just figured out, well, the plate goes from here to here. So some of you just counted the cheese balls along the bottom to figure out about how much the diameter is. Some of you actually drew in cheese balls of about the same size. And so we didn't end up with exactly the same answer, but we estimated that probably the diameter was somewhere around 14 cheese balls, which makes the radius about 7 cheese balls. And if I'm fitting it on the plate, I want to know the area of the plate. So we said in our last class that the area is pi times the radius squared. So we did 3.14 times 7 times 7 to get 153.86, or about 154 cheese balls. And thinking about, well, how do I know when I need circumference and when do I need area? So how much fabric is needed for a round tablecloth? Well, a tablecloth goes on the table. It covers the table. So that would be finding the area. How fast do you go when riding on a Ferris wheel? So we're talking about speed, how fast riding on a Ferris wheel. That is the circumference. How much green space is there inside a traffic roundabout? I see this word space. I see inside. That would be area. How many square inches of cheese fit on a slice of pizza? Well, I have square inches and I have the word on. So again, that would be area. How many times must a horse go around a horse walker to walk 1 mile? That is circumference. How many feet are traveled by a person riding once around a merry-go-round? Feet, around, riding. That is circumference. How much room is there to spread frosting on a cookie? Room, spread, on. Those are all keywords for area. How far does a unicycle move when the wheel makes 5 full rotations? Move, rotations. Those are all keywords of circumference. And so then we just did some practice around the room, finding area and circumference.